Hello, good morning. Good morning, my bird friend. And good morning to all of you. I hope your weekend's off to a great start. Okay, I'm gonna put you over here. You can sing from up there, okay? You can join with me. So, by way of an explanation for song choices, I've started posting on YouTube and TikTok, and I can't figure out how to do where they'll let me on YouTube. So this is public domain, and that's why it's the song. And there you go. I don't know what else to say. There's a land that is fairer than day, and by faith we can see it afar. For the Father waits over the way to prepare us a dwelling place there in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore in the sweet by and by. We shall meet on that beautiful shore. Sending all the love to each and every one of you. We are all one. We are all connected. Those that are still here, those that have passed along, we are all one. Only love is real. Focus on the love and go spread it. Have a great weekend, everyone. I love you all. Jamie, you got something to say? Crunch, crunch. Okay, that'll have to do.